In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your Wi-Fi password from iPhone to Android using QR code. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up the app which is called Shortcuts. If you cannot find the app on your home screens, you may try to search for it. Just swipe down and then at the search box enter Shortcuts, just like that. The app is pre-installed on any iPhone by default. However, if you cannot find it in that way, you need to head over to the App Store and then download it to your device. This is official Apple application to create automations on your iPhone. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up. Then tap right here to head over to Gallery. At the gallery, we need to search for a shortcut. Just hit right here at search and then enter QR space your. Just like that. In this way, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find the shortcut we are looking for. It is called QR your Wi-Fi. This checkmark indicates that this shortcut is already added on My Shortcuts app. However, if in your case it is not, you can tap on it and then select Add Shortcut. As far as I already have this shortcut, it says that you already have a shortcut named QR your Wi-Fi, and then it offers me to replace it or to keep both. I'm gonna hit Add Replace. As soon as you added QR your Wi-Fi shortcut, then head over to Shortcuts. That's where now we can easily find it. Now we need to tap on it. On the next step, it will ask you to enter your Wi-Fi name. I'm just gonna enter. That is actually my Wi-Fi name. Then we need to tap at Done, and then we need to enter a password for our Wi-Fi connection. Once you've done that, hit at Done, and that will generate a QR code that we can scan with our Android device directly from the screen of our iPhone. However, also we can first tap at this image, and then by hitting right here at Share, we can share it with our friend via some messenger, via Messages app, email, and so on, or via any social media platform. And also we can save this image to our camera roll to share it later. To save this image to camera roll, hit at Save Image, and that will immediately save that QR code to your Photos library. Here it is. Basically, guys, then you can share this photo using any method you prefer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.